Good afternoon, friends, and welcome to Grade Up. Good afternoon, all of you, and a warm welcome from the team at Grade Up, all of you. So, today, friends, we are going to discuss a passage based question on legal reasoning. So, today, the agenda for the class is that we are going to discuss a passage based question on legal reasoning. So as you know, the pattern of CLAT has changed drastically. And from now onwards, you will be provided with a particular passage. And after the passage, you will be asked certain questions. So you will get the earlier concept of principle and fact based question is over and out. Those questions might be important for ALET, symbiosis, Christ College, and other law entrance examination. But insofar as CLAT is concerned, you do not. You will only get passage based question. Each of the passage, as CLAT has said, will comprise of around 450 words. And based on the passage, you will be asked certain questions. Am I clear, friends? Good afternoon, all of you, and welcome. So by now, most of you have joined us and you are all ready to read the passage ahead. Please read the passage very carefully. Please read the passage very carefully, friends. The passage given over here deals with your right to privacy, the judgment of the Supreme Court in Aadhaar, the Aadhaar judgment as we call it, that is known as Justice Puttaswamy versus Union of India. What did the Supreme Court say with regards to privacy? And the passage also deals with the current scenario that India is facing, the COVID-19 issue. How can privacy and health, how can these two things, privacy, right to privacy on one hand, and right to health in the other hand, be balanced? Okay, read the passage very carefully. Read it very, very carefully. Read the passage very, very carefully. Another 30 seconds to read the passage. The final 30 seconds to read the passage. Good afternoon Tenzing, good afternoon Harsha, okay, Harshal, okay, good afternoon all of you. Read the passage very carefully. Those who have tuned a little late, I am okay. Read the passage very carefully, friends. I am sure that most of you are done reading with the passage. Fantastic. We go to the next slide. We go to the next slide. please read this slide very carefully. This slide speaks about the Epidemic Diseases Act of 1897. Okay. Good afternoon, all of you, and read this passage very carefully. Okay. Absolutely, this is something different this year, friends. Absolutely. So these are the kind of questions you will be getting in your CLAT examination. These are the kind of questions that you will be getting in your examination, friend. Okay. Okay. Fantastic. Done. Let's come to question number 1. The author suggests that disclosure of personal information by the state of Kerala is illegal. The author suggests that the disclosure of personal information by the state of Kerala is illegal. The most appropriate reason is which of the reasons? Is it A, is it B, is it C, or is it D? Let's see option A first. Such a disclosure is illegal as per as Puttaswamy's judgment and various other Supreme Court's judgment. Okay. Such a disclosure is not prescribed, mandated by NDMA and Epidemics Diseases Act and any other piece of law. Very good, Sparsh, Khushi, Farhan Haidar, Neha Singh, Satyendra Kumar, Shuksham, Ashok Kumar, Aksha Maurya. Fantastic. Both A and B. Fantastic. See, option D is the right answer. Both A and B are the correct answer. Are you getting the things? Did you understand? So these are the kind of 2020 CLAT questions that you will be getting. These are the typical 2020 CLAT questions. Am I clear? Fantastic. So these are the kind of questions you will be getting in CLAT 2020. So do like the session and share this session. Question number 2. Which of the following can be ascribed to the author? Is it disclosure of private data cannot be done without the consent of the concerned person in any case whatsoever? Is it prevention of spread of coronavirus is not a legitimate aim to allow disclosure of private data by the state of Karnataka? Or is it disclosure of private data by the state of Karnataka is prima facie not proportional in nature? Am I clear? Or is it none of the above? Understand this. See, because of this COVID-19 thing, see, your right to privacy and right to health has to be balanced. But if the government says, I want to know your Aadhaar card, I want to know when you are born, when your father was born, when your mother was born, every other details. Now, is it related? See, the government can definitely say, okay, those who have contacted coronavirus, give us your Aadhaar card number. Fair thought, fantastic, no problem with it. But if the government says, okay, you have to give your driving license, you have to tell me what is your blood group, you have to tell me where do you stay, what does your father do, what does your mother do, what is your mother's name, what is your father's name, what is your grandfather's name? This is called disclosure of private data, which is beyond proportional, which is not proportional in nature. Am I clear? Am I clear? Hence, the correct answer to question number 2 is option C. Am I clear? A lot of people have given me the right answer. Fantastic. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. Are you getting the kind of questions you will be getting? Question number 3. Read the question very properly. Take your time, read the question and tell me the right answer. Read the question very properly, very carefully. The state of Rajasthan launches a new mobile app where a patient suffering from coronavirus can willingly and voluntarily choose to share his past location and visiting history with the public along with the private data. This app is launched without any regulation. Considering the arguments presented above in the passage, choose one of the following. Yes, tell me. Now, please understand this. Very, very important. A mobile app has been brought by the state of Rajasthan. People can download the app and they are willing and voluntarily choosing to share their past location. Voluntarily. Am I clear? Am I clear? Did you understand? How many of you did understand? How many of you got it right? Very good. A lot of people have got it right, right? See, Aadhaar, the Supreme Court judgment says as long it is voluntary, there is no problem. It cannot be forceful. And even if it is forceful, it should has the backing of the parliament. Am I clear? Am I clear? Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. Okay. Am I clear? Am I clear? Fantastic, fantastic. So do like the session, and share this session with your friends who are also preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination. Question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. Read the question. I will give you 30 seconds to read the question and then I will explain you. Suppose the government says that only people who are suffering from COVID-19, if the government tomorrow says those who are suffering from COVID-19 has to share their information via a particular mobile application to the government and law enforcing agencies, is it right or is it wrong? Am I clear? Am I clear? The regulation is absolutely perfect. Am I clear? Question number 4, the correct answer is A. Am I clear? Did you understand? Are you understanding? See, this is how you will end up. The more you solve, the better it will be for you. The more you solve such questions, the better it will be for you. Am I clear? So before we go ahead and solve the other questions, I would right now ask all of you to like the session and share this session with others. like the session and share this session with others, friends. Am I clear? Am I clear, friends? Okay. Okay, let's go to question number 5. Read the question very carefully. Read the question very carefully. The state of Karnataka promulgates a law providing for various disclosure of private data on coronavirus. So the state of Karnataka promulgates a law providing disclosure of private data on coronavirus patient, such as home address, phone number, past travel history, Aadhaar ID, passport number in a public domain. Anybody can see it. Anybody can see it. Considering the arguments in the passage, choose the following. Now, why do you require Aadhaar ID? Why do you require passport? You can require the home ID. You can require phone number. And in public domain, they are going to share it. They are going to share this information in a public domain. Is it valid? Is it not valid? Absolutely not. This is not valid. Am I clear? Am I clear, friends? Not valid at all. This is not valid at all, friends. Did you understand? So the correct answer to this question is option B. No, since the disclosure requires are very broad and not proportionate in nature. Am I clear? Did you understand? Did you understand, friends? It is not valid. Why do you require someone else's passport number? You might require his home address. You might require his past travel history. Absolutely perfect. Perfect. You might require his home address. Okay. Chalo. Phone number. Okay. Past travel history. Okay. Aadhaar ID. Why? Passport number. Why? And you want to disclose this in a public domain, everybody on earth will be getting my home address, will get my phone number, will get my travel history, will get my Aadhaar number. Is it fair or is it not? Am I clear? So the correct answer to this question is option B. Am I clear? Okay. Okay, friends. Friends, we have launched Score Up course, a crash course for CLAT aspirants. Those of you who are interested, please join or enroll for that said course. Thank you very, very much. This course that you will be getting in from GradeUp will cover questions, will cover mock test, will cover all other important things including legal reasoning, legal knowledge, maths, English, critical reasoning, analytical reasoning and everything. So, since CLAT has been postponed, you right now have a lot of time. So I would request all of you, those who haven't enrolled yourself for the CLAT Score Up course, okay, it's a Target Law 2020, a Score Up course. Just keep this in your mind, Target Law 2020, a Score Up course. So do join the course, do enroll yourself, where we will be providing classes, live classes. There are more than 100 plus live classes in that course, which will be very, very helpful to all of you. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very, very much, and God bless you. Thank you.